These are the areas here at the University Hospital in San Antonio, Texas. Those are pretty.
No, muy. Fíjate que le pusieron casi Lawrence. Como que no. Sí, que no me estaba poniendo mucha atención. Pero no, pues dice todo lo que no debe decir. Sí, ajá. Yeah.
These are Schindler 400A. Alright, Dad.
Let's see you downstairs.
Okay. In case you guys didn't know, my grandpa's in here in this hospital. He's having digestive problems.
Okay.
But I have another one. These elevators don't have working chimes. Let's get a cab here. Oh, we're stopping at the 8th floor. Going down to what? To one, right? Oh, 7. I'm just an elevator enthusiast. I film elevators. Yeah, and I'm here because my grandpa is here. Yeah. Well, have a good day.
You too. Enjoy the elevator.
Okay. Let's continue the cab view. Really nice and pretty small for a hospital elevator too. I'm surprised it's not a hospital-sized elevator, if you know what I mean.
Floor 1.
Pretty fast for a 10-story elevator. And there it goes. And that is it.